Hi there, students. To nitpick, a verb. A nitpicker, the person who nitpicks. Well, the first question with this, what is a nit? Well, a nit is this little creature that can live in your hair. That's a nit. And nitpicking, well, literally is looking at somebody's hair and removing the nits and their eggs. But we use this to nitpick, meaning to look for faults, to try and find faults, paying too much attention to unimportant details. But to nitpick, to pay too much attention and complain about unimportant details. Let's see, if you are manually removing the eggs of lice or nits from your hair, head lice, you need to pay attention to detail. You need to search meticulously. And nowadays, to nitpick, to search meticulously for the most insignificant error. To be concerned with the smallest faults, to find fault with anything, to niggle, if you like. Let's see, my grandmother is always nitpicking about the tiniest details in my language when I make a mistake. Or very often, if in a forum, there are always people nitpicking about about possible spelling mistakes or things like that. So it's correcting the minutiae, finding fault in the most unimportant little detail. But it's still wrong. So a nitpicker nitpicks. He's looking for mistakes, looking for the tiniest faux pas. Well, not even a faux pas. The tiniest faux pas in your behaviour. To try to find, pettifogging, that's a brilliant word. So somebody who's nitpicking is always trying to find fault with things. The meal was really good, and I don't like to nitpick, but there was a bit too much salt. Okay, nitpicking, finding fault in the tiniest little thing. So maybe if I started using American spellings, which I do sometimes, you could nitpick and say, this is supposed to be a British English class. Why are you using American spellings? So a nitpicker. My boss is always nitpicking. He's always being critical of inconsequential details. He's quibbling over the smallest thing. Lawyers love to nitpick because like that they increase their salaries, they increase their earnings. So nitpicking normally annoys people, but being critical about important things is very difficult. Okay, so what about the origin? Well, it's to nitpick. Apparently this word was first coined as late as 1956, although I guess the humans have been really picking nits or nitpicking for thousands of years. So you're picking the nits out of someone's hair. How formal is this, to nitpick? I think I'm going to go for a 4.5 in formality. I think you could most definitely use it in an informal conversation. I think you could use it in something semi-formal, but maybe in something very formal, I think you might need to find something else. Something formal. But he's always pettifogging about the smallest details. That would be a brilliant formal word. He's always niggling or quibbling about the most unimportant details. And notice as well, to nitpick, a regular verb. He nitpicked about everything I did. He has nitpicked about every tiny detail. I could hit him. Okay, so a nitpicker nitpicks. Don't be a nitpicker. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Nitpick, a nitpicker.